Good morning, girls and guys. In today's class, we'll discuss about acidic strength of benzoic acid. So that means what are the factors that affects the acidic strength of benzoic acid, like Harthe effect, SIR, etc. Okay, so this is one of the important topic for your NEET and JEE people. Okay, so just concentrate on this and try to practice more questions on this one. So this will be more useful to you. Okay. So in this class, I'll discuss about only benzoic acid, how the Artha effect and SAR, and how the electron withdrawing group and how the electron donating group will affect the acidic strength of benzoic acid in this class. Okay, just listen it carefully and try to practice the questions from your material if you have anything. Okay, so now let's move to the discussion about benzoic acid. Yeah, we know that. So what is the benzoic acid? So the benzoic acid can also called as benzene carboxylic acid. Okay, if you are speaking strictly in a UPSC manner, so that is benzoic acid is nothing but benzene carboxylic acid. And whenever you are comparing the acidic strength of benzoic acid, just you have to think of few things. That is, you have to put in your mind few things. So what are the few things is, see, so generally, so the aromatic acid like benzoic acid will have the strength of, acidic strength will be in the order like this. So whenever we know that electron withdrawing groups increases the acidity and electron donating groups decreases the acidity. So in this chapter mainly we'll discuss about aromatic acids and the Artho effect. So let's see, for example, if you have benzoic acid. So this is benzoic acid. If you have benzoic acid and this benzoic acid is with the electron withdrawing group. So the electron withdrawing group may be at the ortho position, meta position or a para position. So this acid is more stronger than benzoic acid, which is without any substitution. Okay, and this acid is more stronger than one, the which benzoic acid contains electron donating group. Electron donating group. So this is only meta and para positions. Okay. So I'll discuss why not at ortho. So at ortho effect will be work over there. Because of that reason, I am putting meta and para positions only. Okay. So let's discuss how the ortho effect changes the acidic strength of this benzoic acid. So what is the effect of ortho effect? So what is this ortho effect is, so due to presence of any group, it may be electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, at the ortho position to the benzoic acid, it will increases the acidity of benzoic acid irrespective of nature of the group. That may be, it may be electron donating group or electron withdrawing group. So whenever you have a group like this, so this is more stable than more acidic than meta or para and phenol. Okay. Now, so this group will be bulky. Okay, and this will be depends on what? So this will be depends on the group is, see, whenever it is present at meta and para, it will be based on electron withdrawing nature as a electron donating nature. Whenever it is present at ortho position, irrespective of electron donating nature and withdrawing nature, it is more acidic. Okay, so what is the reasons for this ortho effect? So the ortho effect is because of first one, SIR, steric inhibition by resonance, and second one is hydrogen bonding. So these are the two factors which influences the acidic strength of benzoic acid at the ortho position. So we can write that Ka, that is acidic strength, is proportional to SiR. So more the SiR, more will be the acidic strength. Okay, so based on this, let's discuss an example on this one. For example, if you have a benzoic acid with halogens, see, for example, if you have COOH, Cl, COOH, Br, and COOH, I. Okay, so we have all our halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All are electron withdrawing groups only. So as all are electron withdrawing groups, so then which will dominate the acidic strength? The acidic strength is dominated by the size of the group which is substituted at the ortho position. We know that though the atomic radius is in the order of iodine is more than, bromine is more than chlorine. So this is more bulky compared to bromine and this is more bulky compared to chlorine. So then what is the order of acidic strength? So the order of acidic strength is like this. Okay, so from this what we can say, so the SiR is proportional to size. SiR is proportional to size and this acidic strength, this is proportional to SiR. Okay, so the acidic strength of any acid is depends on SiR and size. Okay, let's see one more example based on this one. See, let's for example, I have benzoic acid. A methyl group at ortho position. And I have one more benzoic acid. Tertiary butyl group at the ortho position. Like this. Okay, among these two, which one is more acidic? So obviously this is more bulky one. So bulkiness is more means SiR will be more. So the SiR will be more means what? Acidic strength will be more. So obviously the acidic strength of these two acids will be like this. This is lesser acidic than this one. Okay, so the reason is what? So this is more bulky group. Okay, and here also it depends on what? So the Ka is proportional to SiR. This thing we have to remember always. Then ortho effect because of H bonding. So that is ortho effect due to H bonding. So this is possible whenever hydroxy groups are present at the ortho position to the benzoic acid. Let's see what is going to happen here is, for example, whenever we have a benzoic acid like this, and at ortho position we have OH. Okay, so after leaving off hydrogen, so as this is strong acid, we know, it leaves the acidic hydrogen and it will form a hydrogen bond with the hydrogen of this ortho group. Okay, so like this, it can form a hydrogen bond with this group. So this is called as hydrogen bonding, that is due to ortho effect. Okay, so here this is what intramolecular H bonding is taking place. Okay, so because of this reason, this is more acidic. Whenever you are comparing the acidic strength of benzoic acid with the hydroxy substitution, the acidic strength of benzoic acid with hydroxy substitution. So this is at ortho position and one is at meta position and one is at para position. Let's try to compare the acidic strength of these three groups. In these three benzoic acids. Okay, so before going to decide the acidic strength of benzoic acid, let's see what type of effect is showing on the ring. Okay, see first here, whenever you are speaking about this one, so here ortho effect is there, and here minus A effect is there, and here plus M effect is there. Okay, now so we know that so the plus M is decreases the acidic strength and minus A increases the acidic strength. But however, ortho is what? This is ortho effect. So that's why acidic strength is like this. 1 is more than, 2 is more than 3. So like that, we can say the acidic strength of this one. Okay. And in general, whenever you want to write the acidic strength of orthohydroxybenzoic acid, we can write in general like this. So COOH with OH group. This is more acidic whenever this is present at the meta or para position. Okay. And this is benzoic acid. Okay. Next, see an example. So in this example, so we'll compare whenever we have both hydrogen bonding and ortho effect, which one is more acidic? So I have benzoic acid. And I have CH3 group. Both I have. So here I have only ortho effect. And here I have ortho as well as hydrogen bonding is there. So because of this reason, this will be more acidic than this one. So whenever we have both hydrogen bonding and SIR, H bonding is more dominant than SIR. Okay. Let's try to arrange the following compounds in the order of their acidic strength. Let's COOH and at ortho position CH3. COOH at meta position CH3. COOH at para position CH3. COOH. Okay, if you compare the acidic strength of these four, so here it will show plus I effect, and here it will show plus H effect. Okay, so then here ortho effect is there. Let's give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because of ortho effect, this is more stronger, and here we don't have any electron donating groups. So because of that, this is more stronger. And whenever you have a competition between plus I and plus H is stronger. So that's why after 2 and then 3. So this is the order of acidic strength. Okay, so thus plus H is dominates over plus I. Okay, let's take one more example. So in this example, I'm taking electron withdrawing group. Okay. Okay. See, whenever you are seeing about this one, okay, so here ortho effect is there, and we know that orthoisomer is always more acidic than its meta and para. Okay, so here minus I effect will works, and here minus M will works. Okay, and here nothing is there. If you compare the acidic strength of this one, let's give the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first one is more acidic because of ortho effect, and third one is more because of minus M, and second one is, and then fourth one. So whenever there is a competition between M and I, this M is dominating. Okay, just remember it. Okay, and suppose take this example. So here at ortho position I have one OH, and the second one I have at the para position. Okay, and in third one I have OH at both sides. Okay, and in the case of fourth one I have at the meta position. Okay, then see here. So here ortho effect is there, and here because of H1 H bonding is there, and here this is showing plus plus M effect, and this decreases the acidic strength, and here two hydrogen bonding is possible, which is more stable, and here it will show minus A effect, and finally if you take benzoic acid also. Okay, if you compare the acidic strength of these, let's give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is more acidic because of more hydrogen bonding, and then 1, and then 4 because of minus A, and then 5, and then 2 because of plus M effect. Okay, so this is the order of acidic strength of benzoic acid. Okay, and we'll discuss one more example on this one. Okay, so this is COOH CCl3. So this is strong electron withdrawing group. COOH CCl3, and this is COOH